Hello and welcome back to the Midnight Express channel. Today we're diving into a truly mind-bending topic: how the latest discoveries in quantum physics seem to echo ancient spiritual teachings, particularly those of the Buddha. What if the boundaries between science and spirituality aren't as rigid as we once thought? What if the quantum realm, filled with uncertainty, interconnectedness, and pure potential, mirrors the truths spoken centuries ago by enlightened minds? Let's explore. Part 1. What is quantum reality? Quantum physics explores the smallest building blocks of our universe, particles like electrons and quarks that behave in unpredictable ways. Unlike Newtonian physics, which gives us a neat and orderly view of the world, quantum mechanics throws that out the window. A particle can be in multiple places at once, a phenomenon called superposition. Simply observing a particle can change its behavior. Two particles can be mysteriously linked, entangled, even across vast distances. This reality is probabilistic, not deterministic. At its core, the universe isn't a machine, it's more like a symphony of possibilities. Part 2. Buddha's teachings on reality. Now let's travel back 2,500 years to ancient India, where Siddhartha Gautama, the Buddha, taught about the nature of existence. At the heart of his philosophy are concepts like impermanence, anicca, everything is in constant flux. No self, anatta. There is no fixed independent self. Interconnectedness. All beings and phenomena are interdependent. Rather than rigid truths, Buddhism invites us to look beyond illusion and see the world as fluid and interconnected. Starting to sound familiar? Part 3. The overlap. Modern physicists have noticed startling parallels between these ancient ideas and what the quantum world reveals. Impermanence versus quantum fluctuation. In quantum fields, particles blink in and out of existence. There is no fixed thing, everything is constantly changing. No self versus observer effect. Buddhism teaches the illusion of self, and quantum physics shows that the observer shapes reality. You're not a passive spectator, you're part of the unfolding. Interconnectedness versus quantum entanglement. Buddhist philosophy emphasizes the interconnected nature of all things. Quantum entanglement reveals particles that act as one, no matter the space between them. Part 4. Scientists bridging the gap. Some physicists and philosophers are actively exploring these parallels. Notable thinkers like Fritjof Capra, author of The Tao of Physics, compares quantum concepts with Eastern mysticism. David Bohm, a pioneer in quantum theory, proposed a holistic view of reality, much like Buddhist ideas. Alan Wallace, a physicist turned Buddhist scholar, promotes dialogues between science and contemplative traditions. These aren't just poetic connections. They're serious attempts to reconcile two powerful frameworks for understanding existence. Part 5. Why this matters. So why does this convergence matter? It suggests that science and spirituality aren't opposing forces. Instead, they're two lenses revealing the same mystery. Buddhism gives us the tools to explore subjective experience, while quantum physics maps the objective mechanics. Together, they challenge us to rethink who we are, how we relate to others, what reality truly is. Final reflections. Let's take a moment to sit with the possibility that maybe, just maybe, the ancient sages had glimpses of truths we're only now rediscovering with particle accelerators and quantum equations. What would it mean to live in a world where reality isn't fixed but fluid, where we are both participants and creators, where science doesn't destroy spirituality but deepens it? Thanks for tuning in. If this resonated with you, like and subscribe for more explorations into the strange and sublime. Until next time, stay curious and stay connected.